within this bigger parallel channel on the daily. Okay, so bottom here, top, bottom. We've tried to make our way up. We haven't managed to achieve anything. So
before we get started, just a quick disclaimer. The content on this channel is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not financial advice, and I am not a licensed financial advisor. Everything shared in this video is based on personal opinion, research, and experience. So please do your own research and consult a qualified professional before making any financial decisions. Investing involves risk, and you could lose money. By watching this video, you agree that you are responsible for your own financial choices. With that said, let's get into the video.
Welcome back to Bull and Bear Hunter. Today we are going to take a look at the gold chart and see where it's been over the week and where we could be heading over the coming week. So the first view is the monthly. As you can see, we are currently down on the month, which is fine. We can see that we are potentially consolidating and potentially looking to build from there and maybe head higher, as long as we don't break this 4,500 region and then head a bit lower. So what we do have is a long-term line. So from here, we've got since January, we've been staying above it. We touched it back in 1st of March, bounced off it, and now we're heading back towards that area again. I anticipate if we do get to that line again, we should get some sort of reaction, potentially a positive reaction, so we should bounce up. One thing I did notice, if you look at the 30-year US bond, I did a video on it, so I will have it in the description so you can have a watch. Every time that the 30-year bond is reached 5%, gold is sort of consolidated and then eventually seems to bounce and then head a lot higher. Twice it's done it. First time it was over 60% increase, and the second time again over 60%. It has hit 5% again. I know it's backed away, but guess what? What's the chance of history repeating itself? So I'll be mindful that, yeah, we're getting a bit of a consolidation. We're literally going sideways, nothing really is happening. But then when it starts to go, we could be up over 60% on the next run. So let's just go into the daily. So as we can see, we are still within this bigger parallel channel on the daily. Okay, so bottom here, top, bottom. We've tried to make our way up. We haven't managed to achieve anything, so we've turned back down, and we're now heading towards that lower part of the parallel channel, which also is the long-term line as well. So I suspect we'll have plenty of support around this area. So if it does get there, I expect to see some sort of reaction. So let's just go into the 1 hour. As you can see, 1 hour, we are the lowest we was at 4,455, and then we bounced, and now we're coming back to that 4,500 support again. Let's see what happens. Is it going to close above it? Will it bounce tomorrow, or will it go below it? If it goes below it, short term, we're then looking at this area here, which is the 4453. So what I'm going to do is just put a small little line in there. So let's go here. Okay, 4455. Okay, 4458. Okay, so we're just going to keep an eye on this support area here. We are into major support around here, so hopefully let's see if it can bounce. If it doesn't, then we know this is the next area to watch. We could be potentially having a resistance around the 45.80 area. So let's just keep an eye on it. Let's just draw a line in there. Let's go here. Okay, so 45.80. We've got nice little support around this area. Okay, so we've got the resistance, and then we've got all the support here. Like I said, if it breaks, then we're going to head to 44.58 or 44.50, and with a view to potentially bouncing. If it doesn't, then we're going to head to the lower part of the parallel channel, which is around the 43.40, and then we should hopefully see a bigger bounce. Let's just quickly go into the 10 minutes. Okay, let's just get a little bit closer. So as you can see, on last week Friday we broke just below it, but then we recaptured the 45.00. We went to the high part of the channel. We hit some resistance, 1, 2, 3, and then we came back down. We've touched this twice now. Support of 4,500 support, 4,500 support, and we bounced. Let's see if it'll head a little bit higher, or will it turn back and then break this line. Let's just keep an eye on it. So apart from that, we'll go back to our daily. Okay, and that will conclude our chart for gold today. If you like what you are watching, if you can like, share, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so you can see when our next videos are launched. And thank you for watching. Goodbye.